So, good morning, students. We are here again and we are going to discuss the world of pronouns. Okay, in our previous class, we discussed about pronouns and types of pronouns. Okay, in our previous class, we discussed about personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. And okay, but in this class, we discuss about relative pronoun and demonstrative pronoun and interrogative pronoun and indefinite pronoun. Okay, students? So, one by one, we'll discuss. Okay. So, first, just wait. Relative pronoun. Okay. Students, you can see that. First, we have to know what is relative pronouns. Very good morning, all of you. Very good morning. Very good morning. Very good morning. Okay. So today we are first we have to discuss what is relative pronouns. Then one by one we have to cover it. Okay. So first we have to know what is relative pronoun. Okay. All of you, please listen carefully. Okay. So relative pronouns are the pronouns that connect a noun or pronoun to additional information about it. Okay. So relative pronouns are the pronouns that connect a noun or a pronoun. Okay. And are give more information about it. They introduce a relative clause and help to combine two or relative sentence into one. And with the help of relative pronoun, okay, it combines two sentences into one sentence. Okay. So what is the definition of relative pronoun? You can note in your copy, all of you. Please, you can note in your copy. A relative pronoun is a pronoun that relates to a noun mentioned before it and connects it to a clause that gives more information about that noun. Okay, you can see that a relative pronoun is a pronoun that relates a noun mentioned before, and that means a relative pronoun is mentioned before or okay, and it connects to a clause. We'll already discuss about clause. Okay, and that gives more information about noun. Okay, that gives more information about noun. Okay, you can then. Okay. First, we have to know some common relative pronouns. Okay. What are the common relative pronouns? Who, whom, whose, which, and that. Okay. And who is used for people. Okay. Who is used for people. And whom is used for people in object. And whose is used for possessions, and which is used for animal and things, and that is used for people and animal and things. Okay, so one by one we have to discuss. Students, you have to note it. You have any doubt, then you can ask me in the chat box. Okay, so first we have to know what is who. So, for example, the boy who won the race is my friend. Who is here? Okay, you can see the boy who won the race is my friend. There is two sentence and one relative pronoun joined two sentence into one. Okay, so there is the relative word, relative pronoun who. In whom, people, object. Okay, for we can take people as object. Okay, people as object. The girl whom I meet is kind. Okay, you can then whose possessions. The student whose book is lost is absent. That means the book is belongs to that student who was lost his book, but today he is absent. Okay, animal. Sorry, which refers to animals and things. The dog which barked loudly ran away. The dog which barked loudly ran away. Okay, that refers to, that is used for people, animals, and things. Okay, this is the book that I brought. This is the book that I brought. Okay, then more examples we have to discuss one by one. Okay, so first we have to know again who, whom, whose. These are which and that. Okay, the teacher who teaches us English is very kind. These are the examples, another examples. Okay, so first we have to know key points about relative pronouns. So some key points. First one is relative pronouns connects two related ideas. Okay, a relative pronoun connects two related ideas. They provide extra information about a noun, and they help avoid repeating the same noun. Yes, they help to avoid repetition of the same noun. Common relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. Okay, then you can please note in your copy, all of you. You can note in your copy who is refers to people in subject, and whom is used to refers to object. People, whom is refers to people in object, and whose used for shows possessions, and which is refers to animals, things. Okay, or that is refers to people, animal, or thing. Okay, then I have some questions for you. The boy dash on the race is my cousin. We already discussed the question number 1. Okay, the boy, your answer should be which relative pronouns you have to use. Who. The girl dash I met yesterday is friendly. Okay, you can see the girl whom. Next, the students dash notebook is missing is worried. The student, which relative pronouns? Whose. Next, the cat dash is sleeping on the sofa is cute. The cat, animal. For animal we have to use which. This is the pen dash I borrowed from you. This is the pen. Pen that refers to people, animal, or things. We have to use that. Okay, any doubt regarding relative pronouns? Okay, please remember who, whom, whose, which, and that are called relative pronouns because they relate a noun, additional information, and connect parts of a sentence. Okay, any doubt regarding relative pronouns? Then we go to the next slide. Okay. Okay. We are going to the next phase. Next pronouns is demonstrative pronouns. Okay. All of demonstrative pronouns. So demonstrative pronouns, what is demonstrative pronouns? Now, demonstrative pronouns are the pronouns that points to a specific people, animal, place, or thing. Or they help us to show whether something is near or far. whether it is singular or plural. Okay, near or far. Okay, you can note the definition. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun. Wait, any? Yes, any question? Okay, very good morning. You can see now it is clearly visible to all of you. Okay. Okay, you can improve your quality. Okay, you can use your better quality for better picture quality. Okay, improve your quality of your pictures. Then you can then everything is visible to you. Okay. Okay. So please note it. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun used to point out a particular person, place, animal, or thing. Or one more important point is that they help us to show whether something is near or far and whether it is singular or plural. Okay, students, I think all of you know about these or that, those, and these. These are the demonstrative pronouns. Okay. Okay. You can see. First, we have to know about use of these, then that. Okay. This. This is used for, that is one thing. This is used for one thing that is nearer. Near. That means जो चीज आपके पास होगा उसके लिए आप यूज करेंगे क्या? दिस. और जो चीज आपके थोड़े दूर होगा. Okay. If I say this is a stylus. Okay. If I say that is the window. Okay. That means जो चीज मेरे पास है वहां उस टाइम में हम यूज करेंगे दिस, और जो हमसे थोड़ा दूर है उसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे दैट. वन थिंग दैट इज फार. फार मीन्स देयर इज डिस्टेंस. ओके. एंड नियर मीन्स क्लोजर टू यू. ओके. फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस इज माय बुक. दैट मीन्स द बुक्स इज वेरी नियर टू मी. एंड दैट इज ए काइट. व्हेन यू फ्लाई काइट इन द स्काई, the kite is very high in the sky. Okay, at the time you can see that is a kite. That means the kite is not nearer to you. Okay, then these and those. These is these and those. These are we have to use in singular, and these two you have to use in plural. Okay. The plural form of these is these, and the plural form of that is those. Okay. More than one things that is nearer. Okay. You can see more things, more than one thing that is near. That at the time we have to use these. These are my toys. That means there are lot of toys, and that is in आपके पास होगा वो. Okay. And those. More than one thing that is fair. Those are birds. That means the birds are very. They are not nearer to you, or they are in the tree. Okay. At the time you have to use those. Okay. You can see easy trick to remember. This nearer plus one. That means singular. That far from plus one means. डिस्टेंस प्लस वन. ओके, सिंगुलर में. एंड दीज एंड दोज. दीज इज नियरर, जो आपके पास होगा और ज्यादा होगा, और दोज होगा क्या, जो आपके दूर होगा और ज्यादा भी होगा. ओके. ये दोनों को हम मैंने बोला है कि आपको यहाँ पे सिंगुलर में यूज करना है दिस और दैट को. दीज और दोज को आपको कहां पे यूज करना है? दूर में. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी अगेन. This is my pen. This is a red apple. That is a beautiful flower, and that means थोड़ा दूर होगा, or this easily understand, you can then. Okay, some key points about demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things. Yes, it points to specific things. कौन सी चीज हमारे पास है, कौन सी चीज हमसे दूर है, and they tell whether something is near. Yes, they tell whether the something is near or far, and they also shows it is singular or plural. And there are 4 demonstrative pronouns. There are how many 4 demonstrative pronouns? Who can say? There are how many demonstrative pronouns and what are they? Who can say? Comment. Please comment. What are the demonstrative pronouns? What are the demonstrative pronouns? Students, comment first. Yes, there are 4 demonstrative pronouns. Okay, first one is your these, and second one is your that, third one is your these, and fourth one is your those. Okay, you can see these or these is near, this is singular and this is plural, that and those in fire. Okay, and that, these and that in singular. Okay. So I have some questions for you. Dash is my pencil. What do you have to say? What is the answer? Who can say? Who can say? Dash is my pencil. This. Okay. And dash are my classmates. Dash are my classmates. These are my classmates. Dash is a tall building. That is a tall building. Dash are beautiful flowers. Those are beautiful flowers. Okay. Next, you have any doubt in demonstrative pronouns, students? If you have any doubt in demonstrative pronouns, okay, then go to the next phase. Interrogative pronouns. Okay. So, first we discuss relative pronouns, then we discuss demonstrative pronouns. Now we are discussing interrogative pronouns. Okay. So, what is the interrogative pronouns? First, interrogative pronouns are pronouns used to ask question. That means used to ask questions about death, about people, animals, places, or things. Okay. And they help us gather information by asking questions. Okay, this is a question mark, you know. Okay, and interrogative pronouns is a pronoun that is used to ask a question. That is the definition. You can note in your copy, please, students. You can note an interrogative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to ask questions. You can note in your copy. Then one by one we have to discuss. Then one by one, please note in a copy. Yes. So common interrogative pronouns. What are the common interrogative pronouns? So first we have to know about who. Now who is asking about a person? We already discussed it. Whom? Whom is asking about a person in object, and whose is used to asking about the ownership. Okay, and which is used for asking a choice. Okay, and what is used for asking about things or information. Okay, for example, if I say who is your teacher, that means you can see that who is used as a subject. Okay, who is our teacher? Asking about a person, and whom did you meet? That means there is whom is as used as a object. Whose, asking ownership. Whose bag is this? That means you don't know whose bag is this. Okay. Then which, asking about a choice. Which book do you like? That means there you have to choose. Okay. Which, you have to give your choice. And what, asking about thing or information. What is your name? That means you are asking that person that what is your name. For you have more examples. Okay. Who is knocking at the door? Who won the race? That means you are asking about a person. Then whom? Whom did you invite and whom are you talking to? Okay. There are the examples of some interrogative pronouns. Then we have to discuss about key points. Key points. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Yes, interrogative pronouns are used for questions. They help us to get information about people, thing, and ownership. Yes. And they are usually placed at the beginning of a question. Okay. You can see there are lot of sentence. And the first sentence, or the first word of the sentence is the interrogative pronoun, who is beginning of a question. The common interrogative pronouns who, whom, whose, which, and what. Okay. So is it a trick to remember? You can remember, or you can note it in your copy. Who is refers to a person and whom is used to for a person or receiving action, or whose as used as a ownership, and which is used for a choice, and what is used for thing or information. Okay. Then there are some questions for you. Dash is your class teacher. Who is our class teacher? Dash bag is this. Whose bag is this? Dash game do you like most? Which game? Then dash are you doing? What are you doing? Dash did you meet at the park? Whom? Okay. Then remember please, who, whom, whose, which, and what are called interrogative pronouns because they are used to ask questions. Okay. Students, any doubt regarding interrogative pronouns? Any doubt regarding interrogative pronouns? Okay. Very good. Then our next phase is about indefinite pronouns. Okay. Indefinite pronouns. So what is indefinite pronouns? Okay. Now what that refers to people or thing is generally on non-specific way. Okay. So what are indefinite pronouns? Now indefinite pronouns are the pronouns that refers to people, place, or things in a general or non-specific way. They do not point to any particular person, place, or thing. Okay. You can see some common indefinite pronouns are, okay, you can note one by one. The first is someone. Someone means an unknown person. And somebody means an unknown person also. Anyone. Anyone means any person. And anybody means any person. Everyone, everybody, no one, nobody, something, anything, everything, nothing, few, many, several, and some, and none. Okay, these are the indefinite pronouns. You can see, for examples, someone. Someone is knocking at the door. That means there is an unknown person is knocking at your door. Then someone left a bag here. That means you don't know who left the bag here. Okay. Then anyone. Anyone. Can anyone help me? For anyone, any person. When you asking, when we require help You can ask, anyone can help me, or anyone can join the competition. Okay. Then everyone enjoyed the picnic. Everyone means all people. Okay. And everyone was present in the class. That means everyone, all the students are present in our class. Nobody knew the answer. That means no one knew the answer. Then nobody was absent today. Now, that means no one was absent today. Okay. Then something, everything, nothing. Okay, something. I have something to tell you. Something means on specified things. Okay, you don't know about that. I have something. Then something is moving in the bushes. Okay, you don't know what is there, but something is moving the bushes. Okay, everything is ready for the party. Everything means refers to all things. Everything refers to all things. Okay, nothing refers to nothing. Okay, then easy tick to remember, you can see. So someone is used for an unknown person, and anyone used for any person. Everyone used for all people, nobody used for no person. Then you can see something is used for an unknown thing, and anything is used for anything. Then everything is used for all things, nothing is used for nothing. Okay. Then I have some questions. Fill in the blanks. Dash is waiting outside. Someone is waiting outside. Okay. Can Dash answer this question? Anyone? Can anyone? Dash enjoyed the movie. Everyone. Okay, then these 4, 5, 6, that is your homework. Okay, so that's it for our class today. Then in your next class, we'll discuss more about part of speech. Okay, so thank you all of you. Happy learning.